Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably seen this Taco Bell kit at your local grocery store and wondered if it tastes like the real deal. Well, I didn't either until today. Today, I'm going to be comparing the cheesy double-decker taco kit that Taco Bell offers to the closest menu item that they have, the double stack taco. The kit includes 6 tortillas, 6 taco shells, Velveeta cheese sauce, and meat seasoning. You will need sour cream, tomatoes, and lettuce. The cooking process is pretty straightforward. You just cook the meat, add the seasoning, 3/4 cup of water, then heat the taco shells in the oven. It says not to do it in a toaster oven, but I did it anyway. And you're supposed to heat the tortillas in a microwave for 30 seconds. But I'll be honest, mine came out pretty crispy, so I just did it for 10 seconds and I received much better results with that. Once the tortilla is heated, just add the cheese sauce, add the taco, add the meat, and assemble everything together, and there you have it. So I will be comparing to see if it tastes like Taco Bell or if it's like similar to it. I did go ahead and order this around like 20 minutes ago, so it might be a little bit cold, but let's get to it. First, I'm going to be trying the Taco Bell as like a baseline, just to see how it compares to the one that you can make at home. Tastes like typical Taco Bell. It is a little bit soggy, but like I said, because I got it like 20 minutes ago, but it does taste pretty good. Everything's pretty fresh. Lettuce is pretty fresh. Meat seasoning, you know, typical Taco Bell meat seasoning. Has a little bit of cheese on it. And I believe they use a different type of corn tortilla, or they add something else to it. Oh, they add chips to it. Sorry, I don't really eat Taco Bell on the regular. Or I don't really get this menu item. But anyway, this is pretty good. Let's see how the one that I made using their kit tastes. Okay. They do taste really similar. The meat, I think, is pretty spot on. As far as the cheese goes, I think the Taco Bell uses a different type of cheese than the one that's provided. It is good. If you like Velveeta, then you'll probably like this. But I do notice that it does taste a little bit different. I would choose the Taco Bell one. That one's just not as strong. It's a little bit more creamy than the Velveeta one. But like I said, the Velveeta one's still pretty good. I mean, I am surprised that the lettuce is pretty fresh on the Taco Bell one. I've gotten menu items that the lettuce is a little bit brown, but this one's pretty fresh. It is missing tomatoes. I don't think that was an option when I was ordering it, but it is pretty good. The one you can make at home, the tortilla itself does taste a little bit different, maybe because they actually heat it up like at a skillet. I don't work at Taco Bell, so I'm sure the ones that have worked can know what machine that they use. So it is a little bit crispier. So I would recommend probably heating this in the pan in the skillet instead of the microwave. I'm sure you could probably achieve better results that way. But I would say if you're in a pinch or you are gonna eat probably like more than 2 or 3, gonna go crazy, then probably you could go for the kit. Like I said, I'll probably just heat the tortilla not in the microwave, probably like in the skillet or something like that. I did grab some Diablo sauce from Taco Bell. That's my favorite sauce because it's the spiciest, and I think the flavor is like the best compared to the other ones. Nothing wrong with like the hot or like the mild, but I just like it that it's really spicy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to both of them. I'll be honest, adding the Diablo sauce, it kind of like masks something in this one, but it makes it taste more like authentic. So depending if you like hot sauce or not, I personally do, but this really tastes more like something you get from Taco Bell. So all in all, if I'm craving Taco Bell or I'm just in a grocery store and I think some point in the week I'm gonna want Taco Bell, but I'm too lazy to drive to Taco Bell, then I probably would get this kit. I think it was only like $4, and they do have a lot more kits. So if you guys want to see more, like, I guess, comparisons, just let me know. I'm trying a new format on my channel. If you guys enjoy it, definitely hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And definitely consider subscribing because, like I said, I'm trying to do just different style of food content. So, yep. If you stuck to the end, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the flip side.